5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, hopefully I can cut out this beginning part. All right. Class, if you can hear me and see me, give me a thumbs up.
Verbal thumbs up.
All right, we are doing week 4, Haggerty lesson. We're doing Wednesday's lesson. Repeat after me. Ready? The letter is A. The sound is A.
The letter is A. The sound is A.
The letter is B. The sound is B.
The letter is B. The sound is B.
The letter is C. The sound is K.
The letter is C. The sound is K.
The letter is D. The sound is D.
The letter is D. The sound is D.
The letter is E. The sound is E.
The letter is E. The sound is E.
The letter is F. The sound is F.
The letter is F. The sound is F.
The letter is G. The sound is G.
The letter is G. The sound is G.
The letter is H. The sound is H.
The letter is H. The sound is H.
The letter is I. The sound is I.
The letter is I. The sound is I.
The letter is J. The sound is J.
The letter is J. The sound is J.
The letter is K. The sound is K.
The letter K. The sound is K.
The letter is L. The sound is L.
The letter is L. The sound is L.
The letter is M. The sound is M.
The letter is M. The sound is M.
The letter is N. The sound is N.
The letter is N. The sound is N.
The letter is O. The sound is Ah.
The letter is O. The sound is Ah.
The letter is P. The sound is P.
The letter is P. The sound is P.
The letter is Q. The sound is Q.
The letter is Q. The sound is Q.
The letter is R. The sound is R.
The letter is R. The sound is R.
The letter is S. The sound is S.
The letter is S. The sound is S.
The letter is T. The sound is T.
The letter is T. The sound is T.
The letter is U. The sound is
The letter is U. The sound is
The letter is V. The sound is V.
The letter is V. The sound is V.
The letter is W. The sound is W.
The letter is W. The sound is W.
The letter is X. The sound is X.
The letter is X. The sound is X.
The letter is Y. The sound is Y.
The letter is Y. The sound is Y.
The letter is Z. The sound is Z.
The letter is Z. The sound is Z.
All right. Good job. Now we're going to move on to rhyming words. Can everybody see me okay now?
Yep.
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to say 2 words. I want you to repeat them and then give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if they rhyme, if they don't rhyme. Ready? Hot pot.
Hot pot.
Good, they do rhyme. Say them after me. Ready? Fun run.
Fun run.
Good job. Mad mom.
Mad mom.
Thumbs down. Big pig.
Big pig.
Pig.
Good job. Sat mat.
Sat mat.
Good. Set ham.
Set ham.
Bed fed.
Bed fed.
Good job. Mop hop.
Hop. Hop.
Mop hop.
Oh,
Mop.
hop.
Hop.
Bit fit.
Bit fit.
Last one. Had lid.
Had lid.
Good job. Go ahead and kiss your brain. All right. Now I'm going to do beginning sounds. So I'm going to say a word. I want you to say it, and then I want you to just tell me the first sound that you hear. So the word is cap. Say the whole word and then just the sound. Let's try the next one. Pain.
Pain.
What do you hear?
Pain.
Good. Farm.
Farm.
What do you hear? Good. Read.
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 Good. Heart.
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 Good. Table.
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 King.
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 Good. Win.
Win.
Say the whole word first and then just the sound. Male.
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 Mm.
M.
Don't forget for M, it's not M.
Mm.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Okay, Lori, try to say the whole word.
Okay, I'm sorry. Repeat the directions again.
It's okay. We're done with that one now. Good job. All right, now I'm going to give you 2 words. I want you to say them separately and then clap them together to make a big word. Okay? Girl, friend. Girl, friend, girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
Make sense?
Okay.
All right, let's try this one. Bean bag.
Bean.
Bag.
Beanbag.
Beanbag.
Good. Sandbox.
Sandbox. Sandbox.
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Oatmeal.
Milk shake.
Milkshake.
Milkshake.
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Popcorn.
Overnight.
Overnight. Overnight.
Myself.
Myself. Myself.
Washcloth.
Washcloth. Washcloth.
Doorway.
Doorway. Doorway.
Good job. Give yourselves a round of applause. All right. Let me flip to the next page. All right. Now this one, I'm going to say a word. I want you to listen carefully to hear what the last sound of the word is, and I just want you to say the last sound. You don't have to say the whole word this time. Ready? Ride.
There.
Good. Some. Laugh. Laugh. There you go. Own. Wag. Good job. Jeep. Good. Like. Lips. Bell.
L.
Right. Nice job. Let's do fireworks. Ready? All right. Big word. Now we're taking it apart into 2 little words. Ready? So say the big word first and then take it apart. Ready? Highway.
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 Good. Broomstick.
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 Zookeeper.
Zookeeper. Zookeeper.
Scarecrow.
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 Shoelace.
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 Daylight.
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 Peanut.
Peanut.
Nut.
Seashells.
Seashells.
Seashell.
Himself.
Himself.
Last one. Cupcake.
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 Nice job. All right. Now we're going to start substituting our words. So I'm going to give you a whole word. I want you to say it. Then I'm going to change the beginning part to a new word and you're going to put it back together. Ready? The word is rainstorm. You say
Rainstorm.
it. Change rain to snow and the word is?
Snowstorm.
Good. The word is hideout.
Hideout.
Change hide to work and the word is?
Workout.
The word is baseball.
Baseball.
Change base to foot and the word is?
Football.
The word is earache.
Earache.
Change ear to tooth and the word is?
Tuesday.
The word is basketball.
Basketball.
Basketball. Change basket to snow and the word is?
Snowball.
Nice job. All right, we are almost done. Now we're going to add a word to the end of our word. So I'll give you a word. I want you to say it. I'm going to add a word to the end and you're going to put it together. Ready? The word is snow.
Snow.
Add ball. The word is?
Snowball.
The word is rain.
Rain.
Add bow, the word is.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
The word is every.
Every.
Add day, the word is.
Every day.
The word is any.
Any.
Add time, the word is.
Anytime.
The word is bed.
Bed.
Add room, the word is.
Room.
Bedroom.
Good job. Let's do. What's a good cheer we can do? We can do the roller coaster. So buckle yourself in. Put your hands up. We're going to slowly incline and then do 3 woos down the hill. Ready? And woo! 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 All right. Now I'm going to take away part of the word, and you're going to tell me what's left. Okay, so I'll give you the big word. You say it, then I'll take part of it away. You tell me what's left. Ready? The word is sometime.
Some.
Without time, the word is.
Some.
The word is weekday.
Weekday.
Without day, the word is.
Week.
The word is washroom.
Washroom.
Without room, the word is.
Wash.
The word is outdoors.
Outdoor.
Without doors, the word is.
Out.
The word is firewood.
Fire.
Without wood, the word is.
Fire.
Good job. We are on our last one. I'm going to say a sentence. I want you to say it. Then we're going to clap all of the words, and then we're going to count all of the words. So I say it, you say it, clap it, count it. Ready? We like to read.
We like to read.
Clap it out.
Read.
We like to read. Count it. We like to read. How many did you get?
4.
Awesome. Next one. My teacher is nice.
My teacher
Is nice.
Clap it out. My teacher is nice. Count it. My teacher is nice. How many?
4.
All right. I think you are nice too.
Ooh. I think you are nice too.
Clap it out. I
Say
You
are nice.
too.
Count it out. I
I
think you
you
are nice too. 6. Good job. Let's do 2 more. Do you sleep in a big bed?
you sleep in a big bed.
Do you sleep in a big bed? Count it. Do you sleep in a big bed? How many?
7.
7. 1 more. Kindergarten is great.
Kindergarten is great.
Careful on this one. Kindergarten is great. Count it out. Kindergarten is great. How many? 3. Nice job, class. Thank you so much for joining in today. If you feel like you learned something, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. All right, and I will see you next class.
Thank you, Miss Feaster.
I hope I passed.
Bye.
Bye.